Hello and welcome back if you're a returning viewer to the channel. WB here, and in this video what I want to do is show you how you can leverage the Enterprise App Catalog inside of Microsoft Intune. I ask you, if you like what you see on the channel, remember to subscribe and click the notification bell so you're aware of all of the new videos that are coming out. Remember to like, share, and comments are always welcome, and continue the discussion with us on our community Discord server. Link in the description below. All right, everybody, what do you say? It's time. Let's dive in. Hello everybody, here we are on my Windows desktop and we are logged into the Intune Admin Center and we want to deploy an app through the Enterprise App Catalog. In order to do that, we're going to go ahead and select Apps here, and then from Apps we're going to select All Apps, and here's where we can deploy our apps. In this case, what we're going to do is choose Create. And it's going to ask us to select an app. Now, here is where we can deploy to platform-specific app stores. That is another skill that is measured inside of the MD 102 exam. Keep in mind, look in the library because I will have lessons coming out on some of these other apps. But for us, what we want to do is we want to scroll down, and you're going to see that there's the Others category here. And in the Others category, there was the Enterprise App Catalog here that I selected. We're going to go ahead and we're going to choose Select, and as always, we're going to start to walk through our wizard here. This gives us the ability to search that app catalog. And I'm going to go ahead and pick on 7-Zip. I know it installs well, and it's great for a demonstration. So if you are walking through your own lab or simulation environment, you can do this as well. Choose Next. All right, and then we're going to select the configuration here. After that, choose Select. It adds that to the list here, and this is where we get the ability to add some additional information if we want as well. Now that 7-Zip's in the list here, I'm going to choose Next. And then we get some specific commands, to uninstall and install this application. And we can control that. We can even specify return codes as well. Then we'll choose Next. And we have the requirements. We're going to ask, hey, what do the devices need to meet before the app's installed, right? So check the operating system architecture. And what is it that we're checking? What is the minimum operating system? Do we want to add a disk space that's required, physical memory, right? Different attributes of the requirements that we can configure. Then we're going to choose Next, and this is where we get our detection rules, right? Configure app-specific rules used to detect the presence of the app, right? Manually configure detection rules. You can see these detection rules that are already added. We'll choose Next from here. And this is where we can add our assignments here. So if I wanted to, I could say, hey, I'm going to go ahead and add all devices there. And you can see some attributes of the assignment here, right? So for instance, end user notifications, right? Do we want to show the presence of these notifications, availability, right? What's the installation deadline, right? A restart grace period. If we wanted to, we could configure those. And then we choose our review and create, and this gives us the ability now to choose Add App. And when the devices that this app has been assigned to, or the users that this app has been assigned to, check in and they synchronize, it will deploy that application to their devices. So there you have it, everybody. Fairly easy way, straightforward process to configure and utilize the Enterprise App Catalog inside of Microsoft Intune. As always, I ask you, if you like what you see, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell. Remember, like, share, comments are always welcome. Check the description for a link to our community Discord server, and you can continue this discussion with us. Thank you so much for watching.